Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunnar. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, custom, planning, decor, anything you think about, we do it all. So as you wonder, yes, I'm not as I said, I'm on vacation as we speak. Yes, and I'm actually doing these videos. Um, this is just some of the things I'm going to talk about today. So first, let me show you guys the view so you can kind of see where I am. This is amazing. We're on a little private island. Just taking a break with my family, but I still had to take time to check in on you guys and do what I said I was going to do. So, as you can see, the view is amazing. It's really, really, really amazing. It's a little, I don't know if you can see back there, and it's tennis court and everything. It's amazing. I love it here. Yeah. But I wanted to talk to you guys about something. Whether you're a business owner, whether you are an event planner, whether you have your own startup business, or think about starting a business, or you're doing your wedding and events, it doesn't matter. I just want to talk to you guys in regards to no matter what you're doing, you got to put your effort into it. I'm sorry, I'm looking around because it's like I'm out on the balcony and it's like my family's looking for me. But I said decided to come up here and just echo you guys a little bit. So no matter what is going on in any station in your life, I want you to not one is not to get up. People don't realize that is the key to success. As a business owner, this is just a prime example. Many times when people just think, oh, when you got your own business, you're working for yourself, it's easy. I'm literally on vacation and I'm still working. And even though I promised my family I wasn't going to work too much, I wasn't going to do too much things, but I still have to work because I still have things that I have to do. Like even if I take 2 hours out of the day, and this what people to understand when people become millionaires and have all this success, they just think that, oh well, how did you do it? Well, this is how you do it. This is the behind the scene things that you don't see people doing. This is what people don't talk about. This is the things that people don't think. It's like, oh, okay, well, you just woke up on money and your success just come. Yes, it happened, but there's a lot of scribe, there's a lot of drive, there's a lot of things that go behind these things to make it happen. You know, and I say, I am on vacation right now. I could be relaxing somewhere, going downstairs, getting a mojito, or maybe just chilling by the water or just enjoying family time. But at the same time, I had to stop and still work. And these things happen. So in life, whatever you do, in order for it to succeed, you have to be the driving force behind it. You have to not give up in the moment. I think it was Steve Harvey that says that while other people are sleeping, you're working. When you get to that stage, even when you get to that stage where you have more than enough money, you still will work because you have to make sure you have it's a constant thing. Yes, it may not work as much as you used to anymore, but if you don't put time into that company that you built, it can crumble, it can crash. So my motivation for you guys is this: that no matter what, work hard, play hard, do everything the same in between. Don't You have to be that driving force behind your success. Nobody can do it for you. It don't come easy. Even if the goals is laying on the table and somebody say, hey, this is on the platter, you still have to put your best foot forward. You still have to work towards it. You still have to do everything you need to do, because if you don't do those things, you will never go where you want to go. You will never accomplish what you want to accomplish. So if you don't take anything from this video, look at it as this: like, look, do I work hard? Yes. I have a wedding next week. I have another wedding following week. Yes, but I still take time for family. I still take time to do things. I don't leave anything left on hold. That's just what it is. You can't deserve your family time or deserve your business time. You have to keep driving. So people don't see you working, but behind the scenes, there's so many moving parts that go along with it. And that's why sometimes I tell my clients that if you sign up with Linda Professional Creations, one thing you're going to get is one, professionalism, to a person to my word. That if I take on a challenge and take on a client, and I'm saying I'm going to work, I'm going to do what it is that I have to do. And this is just a clear example. I don't have to do these videos. It's a challenge. I said I was going to try to do a video a day, and the days that I could, I can say no. But because I give my word is my bond. Even if I have to cut the video short in an extent, I still have to do it. I still have to put that forward and try to do everything within my power to do what it is. Even if it's going to be late, even if it's going to be time. But you still have to try to do what you say you're going to do. You have to work hard. Your success depends on you and only you. I don't care how much you have it easy. People say, oh, some people just had it thrown easy to them. Yes, some people that may have family, all they had to do was just stay in there and they have access to it. But no matter what, that's somebody blood, sweat, and tears that had come along with that. And if they don't continue down that path, that business will crumble. So no matter what you have or what you're doing, be faithful, be strong, be driven. Do everything that you can to make sure that you continue running this race. That's just what it is. It's simple as that. Your success depends on you. If I wasn't working hard as I won't be here. And I still don't feel like I'm where I need to be. I still feel like there's a lot more that I feel like this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot of things that come into work, and I will share every single one of you with you guys on this journey. My business is expanding. Things is going places. I'm doing things, and I want to set myself that my generation and generation unborn will be great. But it starts now. I have to lay all the groundwork. I have to put all the things. You see, they said when you have a solid foundation, it cannot crumble. Like the story about the three pigs. One used scroll, one used brakes, and the other one used, oh God, I can't remember, forget. But you get the idea. But when you have a solid foundation, I'm not saying obstacles not going to come. I'm not saying it's not going to be challenging. I'm not saying it's going to be easy every day. But when that foundation establishes you, when that little storm comes, you pick it up and go to the next one. And that's what it takes. You got to keep running that race. Sometimes you're going to run fast. Sometimes it's going to be slow. Sometimes going to be, but just keep that steady pace. Even if you're walking slow, keep that steady pace. Even if you have to walk sometimes, just keep that same pace. And you will make it. You will reach to that end. So the same thing when you're planning your event, you're planning everything. So in life, no matter what you do, if you don't take anything from these videos today, is that your word should be your bond. One, don't give up on yourself. Whatever your dreams and goals are, work towards it. You can make it happen. I don't care how much money you have in the world. You can have people that invest and give you a lot of grants and loans and anything in money. Somebody can walk to you right now and say, okay, I give you 100,000 or 200,000 or $1 million and say, hey, there you go, start a business. If you don't know how to manage that business, if you don't know how to do that, that money, you would just lose it and nothing will come out of it. It would just be, oh, past glory. Oh, I once had this. I once had the opportunity. Now, I'm not saying that every business succeeds. There's some business, no matter how hard you try, sometimes those things happen. But it may not be that business for you. But it doesn't mean you should give up. If that don't work, or try the next thing. Not because something worked for this person, so that means it's going to work for you. Stop trying to compare apples. Not every apple and orange is the same. Keep doing what you're doing and keep focusing, and you will reach to that tunnel. You will reach to where you need to do, and things will get better. Things will be great. Your life will be great. You will be able to do everything in your power to. But first you have to believe in yourself. You have to trust yourself to make these things happen. But that is all for today, guys. I will be here tomorrow, Raina. I'm doing as much as I can. But please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and the founder of Lynda's Perfection Creations, Events and Wedding Planning. As you can see, I do destinations, wedding. I do it all. But have an amazing night, and I'm gonna leave you guys with a perfect view so you can see this and just enjoy your time. But thank you again on the serious note. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for the time and the effort you do everything. That you take the time to be here. It means a lot to me. Have a good one. So there we go.